In this video, I will show you how to screen mirror your MacBook to your Sony Bravia TV. So by the end of this video, you should be able to connect and cast any MacBook screen to your Sony TV. Now over here, I have the Sony Bravia Google TV, but it doesn't matter the type of Sony TV you have, whether it's the Sony Bravia Android TV or the old Sony Bravia TV. By the end of this video, you should be able to connect and cast your MacBook screen to your Sony TV. Now, first things first, you want to make sure that both your MacBook and your Sony Bravia TV are connected to the same Wi-Fi. So on my Sony TV over here, if you scroll over to the settings of the TV, you want to go ahead and make sure it is connected to your Wi-Fi network, or you can just go ahead and make sure it is connected to a hotspot network. Go ahead and turn on the Wi-Fi, then make sure it is actually connected to a Wi-Fi or a hotspot network. And on your MacBook, you also want to make sure that you connect to that same Wi-Fi or hotspot network. So scroll over to the notification center or the Wi-Fi icon at the top of your MacBook, at the top over here, and then you just want to make sure you connect to that same Wi-Fi, which in this case it is the iPhone 13 SAM. So I'll go ahead and select it just like so. And as you can see over here, both my MacBook and my Sony Bravia TV are now connected to the same Wi-Fi. Now finally, you want to come over to the home of your Sony Bravia TV, then go ahead and open up the App Store of your Sony Bravia TV. In the case of the Sony Bravia Google TV, you just want to come over to the app section, then scroll over to this search icon, which is basically the Google Play Store of the TV. Now you want to go ahead and search and download the app that is known as AirScreen. So go ahead and search for AirScreen using this search bar over here. And once you're done searching, just go ahead and click on the search icon at the bottom over here. Now this search bar will automatically search the Google Play Store and give you some of the results for AirScreen from the Google Play Store. So you want to go ahead and make sure you select the AirScreen app, as you can see over here. Then make sure you download and install it into your Sony Bravia TV. If you're using the Sony Bravia Android TV, you should be able to find the app as well on the Google Play Store of your TV. Once the app is done downloading and installing, you can go ahead and open it up directly from here. And now we have to set up the app. So first things first, you just want to go ahead and click on the continue button over here. Now just go ahead and click on the OK button on your remote control. Click on grant and then click on allow. Now go ahead and click on confirm. So you can literally see it is connected to the Wi-Fi already. So I'll just go ahead and click on the confirm button over here. Now you want to click on the cancel icon at the top. Click on it. Now click on yes. And now our AirScreen app is now properly set up. Now you can just go ahead and click on force start and then click on change settings. Then go ahead and turn on this permission for the AirScreen app we just installed on our TV. So make sure it is turned on, then go back to the AirScreen app. And finally, for the screen mirroring to work, what you just want to do is to come over to your MacBook, then head over to the notification center at the top right corner of your MacBook. You can literally see this notification center. Now you're going to see the screen mirroring option over here. So just go ahead and select it just like so, and automatically, as long as your Sony Bravia TV and your MacBook are connected to the same Wi-Fi, you're going to see the name on the AirScreen app over here inside of this screen mirroring option over here. So you want to go ahead and select the AirScreen app option and then give it some minutes, and automatically your MacBook screen will be casted to your Sony Bravia TV. You can literally see it works absolutely well, and I can go ahead and open up any software from my MacBook and it will be opened on the Sony Bravia TV as well. You can go ahead and use your Sony Bravia TV as a second display instead of it to just be mirroring everything on your screen. So you can just go over to the notification center once again and then go ahead and click on the screen mirroring option over here. And then instead of the mirror built-in retina display, you want to go ahead and select the use as separate display, which automatically makes your Sony Bravia TV a second screen for your MacBooks. So you can simply just move windows from your MacBook into your Sony Bravia TV. You can literally see I am basically moving icons from one screen to another. If you find this video useful, please make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more interesting tech tips like this one.